सी लैंग्वेज इज जस्ट ए मीडियम टू कम्युनिकेट।
हम्म
तो लैंग्वेज से डरने की जरूरत नहीं है। आप अपने दोस्तों में होते हो तो आप कॉन्फिडेंटली बात करते हो। हैबिट कि आज का काम आज जो हो रहा है 2 मिनट में जो हो रहा है वो खत्म करना है,
ओके
बट दे विल नॉट डू इट। सो ये डिले करते करते फिर दैट बिकम्स अ सैचुरेशन एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आपको बहुत सारा एक साथ काम करना है।
Hi all, welcome to NeoSkill Learning Solution. Today we have a very special podcast on soft skill, personality development, communication skill. आज के जो हमारे गेस्ट है मिस्टर अवधूत, he is having 15 plus years of experience to train thousands of professional from industry. So ये जो podcast आज का आपका रहेगा on personality development, soft skill and communication skill, ये आपको आपके पर्सनल और प्रोफेशनल दोनों जगह बहुत हेल्पफुल रहेगा. So let's start with our exciting discussion that will be going to help you in a more better way. So hi sir, welcome to you on our podcast. So it is really great to have a discussion with you. I just want to know some more about you so our audience also can understand what exactly we are going to start with the discussion.
My pleasure and heartily congratulations to all of you to start this podcast. And it's a wonderful session that you have created. So it will definitely give a lot of experience and knowledge to multiple society people. So it's good. I come from a background where I have been into training industry for almost 24 years now, and I have trained the BPO sector, the IT sector, including colleges and schools. So overall, if I have to say, I have trained around 12 lakh students
Oh,
till now.
big number.
Yes, definitely. It's a big number. And with all their blessings, I have learned a lot from them as well. I have seen the ground root level where students are willing to learn in the education sector and they want to grow. Unfortunately, they are not able to because of the uh, society's implementations and society's convenience. So we are looking to help them, and your podcast is definitely
Correct.
going to ensure.
Right. Even I attended your training long back, and now, as you are saying, you have trained lakhs of the people. Definitely, training these people is in need of high amount of energy, right? So you are delivering that training with a heavy energy and with confidence, right? So how you got that confidence, or what practice you are doing, so we can learn something from you. Definitely, these are the two things a soft skill trainer requires. So
Right.
in general, if I want to get that or our audience want to get that, so how you got that, like so that we can learn from you.
So to be very honest, when it was my first time on the stage, I was not confident. Of course, I was shivering, my feet were shivering, and when I happened to see the recording that the students made for that first session on stage, that was very different to what I am as of now.
Okay.
So gradually, eventually, I started delivering. I learned a lot of things from students as well because it's give and take. So
Right.
there are students who teach you so many things.
Yes.
You take those pointers, you watch at your own recordings, and you when you see yourself on the stage on a recording platform, then you realize, okay, here is what I made the mistake.
Correct.
So that's something which I would recommend that every time we record our own sessions, we watch them again, and time and again we realize where we have made the mistakes.
Correct.
So our body language
Hmm.
or what are the points that you shouldn't have said,
Yeah, correct.
those are also important.
Right.
So when to say, what to say, and when to keep silent,
Yes,
that is also more important.
correct, correct. So as you said, we should practice and we should observe ourselves. Even though I was observing myself and we observe other people. So a lot of time to fill the gap, people use some repetitive word, right? Like oh, really, really again, right, right. So what you feel like this is a natural one, or this is like something mistakes we are doing, or we are not ready for that speech? Why this happen?
I won't say it's a mistake. It is the term is called for that as fillers.
Okay.
So when you have a gap or you don't find a word, you use that filler.
Mm-hmm.
So this is because The reason is that you think in your regional language
Okay.
and then you convert it to a different language,
Right.
which is your secondary language.
Yes.
And while that conversion happens, there is a gap because you don't find the exact words to speak. That's when you use fillers.
Correct.
So it comes naturally.
But yeah, that is naturally, but it doesn't look good for the people who are listening us, right? We can say. But ये मल्टी लैंग्वेज में इशू जाता है, सो वी शुड कमांड ऑन दैट बोथ लैंग्वेज, या इशू नहीं होना चाहिए तो क्या करना चाहिए? लाइक दैट इज माय क्वेश्चन.
लोग heavy words यूज करने का ट्राई करते हैं to impress someone. Your language should be एक बेसिक लेवल का
ओके.
जिसमें आपको किसी को इम्प्रेस नहीं करना है. यू
Correct.
हैव टू बी नेचुरल.
राइट.
तो आप अपने नेचुरल फ्लो में बात करेंगे तो ये फिलर्स का जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगा.
Okay. So we should use a basic language, not hard, which is applicable to our brain. Automatically, you will not do such kind of fillers. We can say like that. Correct.
एब्सोल्युटली, क्योंकि
Correct.
फिलर्स तब आता है जब आपका गैप आता है. अगर आप नेचुरल फ्लो में चल रहे हो तो गैप आने का सवाल ही नहीं है.
So मैंने जो by hereditary सीखा है language, if I'm using that, there will not be a filler. We'll say. Correct. So the second question, which is triggering me on that, is like, yeah, like I'm forgetting what I need to talk, right? So fillers आते हैं, ये तो एक natural question हुआ, but if I need to talk in English or Hindi or Marathi, we should have a clarity, right? Or a pronunciation should be correct. So that is called as a good communication, right? So how somebody can get, we see a lot of time people, somebody is good into communication, he is speaking in English or Marathi or Hindi, but somebody is bad at all language, clearly बात ही नहीं करता है वो. So why that happen? Pronunciation correct नहीं आता है, clarity नहीं आता है language में. So what can be the reason for that?
वो इसलिए क्योंकि वो डरता है बात करने से. सी लैंग्वेज इज जस्ट ए मीडियम टू कम्युनिकेट. तो लैंग्वेज से डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप अपने दोस्तों में होते हो तो आप कॉन्फिडेंटली बात करते हो. आप वहाँ कमांडिंग पोजीशन पे हो. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू कम्युनिकेट इन अ प्रोफेशनल वे, दैट टाइम यू आर स्कैर्ड बिकॉज यू थिंक दैट आप सामने वाला क्या बोलेगा, सामने वाला क्या सोचेगा. It doesn't make a difference. You don't have to be bothered about what other people think.
Okay.
You be in your flow, you be confident. आप जैसे बाहर बात करते हो अपने दोस्तों के साथ, similarly you try to be in the commanding position.
So like we should program our brain like that. Okay, this is normal. I'm expecting like a normal behavior over here and act. मतलब program your brain and then go ahead and play the cricket like that. ऐसा situation हो सकता है.
रोल प्ले थ्योरी होता है जिसमें आप स्टेज पे हो तो आप कौन से रोल में होगे. आप अगर स्टूडेंट्स को ट्रेन कर रहे हो तो आप कौन से लेवल पे होगे, विच रोल यू विल प्ले. बिकॉज व्हेन यू ट्रेन अडल्ट्स हु आर ऑलरेडी नॉलेजेबल or who have experienced life in a high level, you cannot train them as you train students.
Right, correct.
Nor can you train students like you train adults.
Correct.
When it comes to children who are at the age group of 3, 5, you cannot train them like you train college students.
Correct.
तो आपको जिस कैटेगरी को ट्रेन करना है, आपको पहले उस कैटेगरी के लेवल पर जाना पड़ेगा.
नहीं, like इन लेवल से एक बात आया, like when we talk about some child, they don't speak in front of new people, right? This is point one. When we are doing meetings, we are talking with the professional. Some people never reply in meeting. Maybe they are having fear. When you talk about as a teacher, if you're talking to your students, some students will never reply you, right? Even in same in interview, some people will not give answer. They will just keep quiet. So ये जो gap आ रहा है, like if somebody is expecting answer but that other person is not capable to answer, so why that is a situation. Like ये क्यों होता होगा?
See, कैसे
Maybe उसे आंसर पता है but he is not there to answer that.
करेक्ट. what you said is absolutely right कि सामने वाले को आंसर पता है लेकिन वो आंसर देना नहीं चाहता है, या उसको आंसर पता है और वो देने की कोशिश नहीं करेगा because he will think that what other people might think if the answer is wrong.
Right.
So it's not always that his answer is wrong, but he does not take the opportunity to answer that question because he thinks about other people.
Okay.
Again, जब भी छोटे बच्चे भी होते हैं वो बात नहीं करते हैं, या some children who are at the age group of 4, 5, they don't easily open up to you or they don't come and talk to you. It is because they are protecting themselves. वो एक shield में है.
Okay. So how to break that shield? If he want to break, or if you as a teacher or somebody as a boss or somebody as a parent want to break that shield. So what should be the ideal practice for
The
that?
ideal practice is you have to come to his level to make him feel comfortable that he and you both are on the same page.
Okay.
अगर आप एक छोटे बच्चे से बात करते हो जो 2-3 साल का है तो आप क्लियर हिंदी मराठी में बात नहीं करते हो. You speak in the tone
In
as
his language.
like a तोतरा tone
Correct.
because you want him to understand that you are at his level.
Correct.
तभी वो आपके पास आएगा.
Right.
आप उसको क्लियर हिंदी मराठी में आदिल की तरह बात करोगे वो आएगा नहीं.
नहीं. Correct.
और सेकेंड इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज लोग ये सोचते हैं कि मैं नीचे बैठूंगा उसके साथ खेलने में तो मेरे कपड़े गंदे होने ही होने. You cannot prevent your clothes from getting dirty.
Correct.
If you want to play with him, you have to get your clothes dirty.
Correct.
वो तो आपके हाथ जो हाथ में आपके शर्ट पे लगाएगा कपड़े पे पोंछेगा. You cannot scold him. The moment you scold him, you break your bond with him.
Right.
He will never come back to you again.
That is for a child, but when we talk about as a student or as like a working professional, so what should be that shield breaking practice?
Shield breaking practices you give them a responsibility. जैसे मेरे क्लास में कोई स्टूडेंट है वो बहुत मस्ती करता है. He is like outsmarting everyone and he is very mischievous. तो वो काफी टाइम लेक्चर्स बंक करता है या नहीं आता है. तो I decided that why not give him the responsibility of the attendance of the class.
Correct.
अब उसको मॉनिटर बना दिया तो उसको आना ही आना है.
Correct.
Now when you give him the responsibility and a leadership role, now he is leading the class which he always wanted to do.
Correct.
So you have to first diagnose कि उसका requirement क्या है.
But that is from your teacher point of view. Let's say like somebody is there, he is facing challenge कि वो बात नहीं कर पा रहा है. So as a some ideal practice उसने क्या सीखना चाहिए और what like a framework he should apply कि ये practice करने की वजह से उसका confidence बढ़ जाएगा. जैसे 4 लोगों में वो बात नहीं कर पाता है in a meeting or in front of boss or in front of teacher or interview. So what a lesson he should apply और क्या कुछ एक practice so that he can implement that and his confidence will be on the higher side to speak in front of new people or new situation.
First thing is will issue.
Okay.
He has to have the willingness to come out of that.
Okay.
Second thing is acceptance. He has to accept that मुझे नहीं आता है. I am not Google that I should know everything.
Okay.
तो कुछ चीजें हैं जो मुझे भी नहीं आती है. मैं भी सीखता हूँ. Learn while you are also teaching.
Correct.
So you have to first accept that I don't know everything. I am not a knowledgeable person that I have all the knowledge in the world.
Correct.
बहुत सारी चीजें जो नहीं पता है that you have to accept. मुझे नहीं पता है.
Right.
Some questions students ask, I don't know the answer. But you tell them in a positive way that yes, the question is good. Unfortunately, I am not able to answer that because I don't have the knowledge. However, I will gather the knowledge and come back to you with the right knowledge.
Correct.
And the right answer.
So willpower they should increase, right? That is the only solution, right? But what is a solution to increase the willpower? Definitely, one person is highly will driven. One person don't have will, right? That's the reason he is not able to speak. But how to trigger the will so that we can achieve something? होता है ना एक कोई गुड़ा सा गणपति है and एक full active है. So willpower का ही difference है यहाँ पे, right?
Yes.
So how we can get that both people on the same level?
See, पहले उसका positives क्या है वो हमें ढूंढना पड़ेगा.
अच्छा.
What one thing he is good at. So when we also
he himself, let's say like उसे खुद को ही ढूंढना है तो मतलब
उसे खुद को ही ढूंढना पड़ेगा और कोई diagnose नहीं करेगा.
Okay.
उसको एक पेपर पे लिखना पड़ेगा कि what all good things that I have in myself.
Correct.
And if he doesn't know, he might ask his neighborhood, he might ask his parents that what is 5 good things that you can list in me. Because सबसे ज्यादा negativity तो घर से ही start होता है.
Right. Perfect.
People around you at home only tell ये तू नहीं कर सकता, वो नहीं कर सकता, तू ये नहीं करता, वो नहीं करता. भाई वो आपका ही product है. You cannot blame the product. If the product is not, if the product is faulty, you blame the manufacturer, not the product.
Right.
And you are the manufacturer of your child. So the flaw is from you, not the product.
So roots, like from the roots we should do SWOT analysis. जो एक मैंने पढ़ा था या कभी आपने भी सिखाया होगा. So SWOT analysis he should do and he can increase his willpower, we can say like that.
हाँ, उसको आज तक उसके बारे में किसी ने पॉजिटिव बताया ही नहीं है तो उसको भी फील नहीं होता कि मेरे अंदर भी कुछ पॉजिटिव है.
So that person should find out some positive things in himself or herself.
Absolutely.
Then only they will be able to speak up in front of others.
Correct.
That-
One positive thing he might have in
Hmm.
himself,
Hmm.
and one positive topic which he can speak for hours and hours.
Right. So ये affirmation का भी impact हो सकता है, like some sentence he can write down and keep on doing affirmations.
Yes,
That will
affirmations do work, and successfully they do have been applied by other people, and it does work. Even me, I wake up in the morning, I say that today is my best day,
Hmm.
and I need to be at my peak, so I
Okay.
need to give the best.
Right.
तो 4 अफर्मेशंस डेली सोने से पहले, उठने के बाद आप बात करो खुद से, एंड दैट गिव्स अ पॉजिटिव एनर्जी. इट गोज इनटू योर सबकॉन्शियस. इट टेल्स योर सबकॉन्शियस कि भाई तू पॉजिटिव है तो एवरीथिंग अराउंड विल वर्क फाइन. समडे यू गिव अफर्मेशंस कि कल का दिन बहुत एक्साइटिंग है, एंड यू गो ऑफ टू स्लीप. Next day when you wake up and things fall in place, everything that you had planned is happening in the smooth way. और कभी कभी ऐसे होता है कि आपने सब कुछ प्लान किया पर पूरा दिन खराब हो.
Correct. Right.
That is because you have given your instructions to your subconscious mind कि होगा कि नहीं होगा, होगा कि नहीं होगा.
Correct. Correct.
You be firm कि आज करना ही है, खत्म करना है, तो
Correct.
उसको और डिले नहीं करना है.
Right. Right.
So procrastination भी लोग करते हैं, that is also hampering. So procrastination is, अगर मान लो किसी ने कोई आपको काम दे दिया तो आप immediately उस काम को खत्म नहीं करते हो.
Okay.
If you need only 2 minutes to do that work,
Hmm.
people are like नहीं चल 5 मिनट के बाद करते,
Okay.
10 मिनट के बाद करते,
Hmm.
and then it goes into your procrastination habit कि आज का काम आज जो हो रहा है 2 मिनट में जो हो रहा है वो खत्म करना है,
Okay.
but they will not do it.
Okay.
So ये डिले करते करते फिर that becomes a saturation, and at the end of the day आपको बहुत सारा एक साथ काम करना है
काम करना. Correct.
daily.
So procrastination is not good for anyone. We can say like that.
Absolutely
Okay.
not at all. It's the stage where it will get into habitual procrastination, which will lead you to the further situations where it eventually leads you to the last thing, that is suicidal tendencies.
Really bad.
So जो suicidal tendencies तक जाते हैं उनका steps ही ये है.
Okay, तो इसको break down करने के लिए कहना, if somebody is having a habit of procrastination, so what he should do, मतलब उसने क्या करना चाहिए?
अगर उसने एक प्लान बनाना चाहिए कि जो 2 मिनट का काम है वो मैं पहले करूंगा,
Hmm.
जो 10 मिनट का है उसको अगर 10 मिनट बाद करना है तो that will be something which I'll do it later.
Kind of a checklist he should follow.
हाँ,
Just mark it and finish your pending task, right?
Correct.
तो ही
एक
वो बच जाएगा, नहीं तो.
एक चेकलिस्ट हमेशा हम स्टूडेंट्स को देते हैं,
Hmm.
दैट अर्जेंट एंड इम्पोर्टेंट.
Hmm.
जो अर्जेंट है एंड इम्पोर्टेंट है वो पहले करो,
Hmm.
विच इज समथिंग विच इज अर्जेंट बट नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट
Hmm.
उसको बाद में करो.
Correct.
समथिंग विच इज नॉट अर्जेंट नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट
Right.
उसको बाजू में रख दिया तो भी चलेगा.
Correct.
समथिंग विच इज इम्पोर्टेंट बट नॉट अर्जेंट
Hmm.
उसको एक कॉलम में ऐड करो.
Correct.
मान लो फॉर एग्जांपल आपका घर में मेहमान आने वाले 1 हफ्ते बाद, आपका गैस का सिलेंडर खत्म होने वाला है 1 हफ्ते बाद.
Right.
नाउ इट कम्स इनटू द कैटेगरी ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंट बट नॉट अर्जेंट,
Not urgent.
क्योंकि आपके पास 7 दिन है.
Timeline we have for that.
हाँ.
Correct. Correct. Like that is called agile. Nowadays companies are giving big training on agile and processes. तो ये एक important theory है.
उसको एक टर्म दे दिया है
Term दे
बस.
दिया.
आइडियली हमको बचपन से सिखाया जाता है these things, but we don't give it as a term. Now they have given it as a corporate term. That's all.
Correct. Right.
तो उसको थोड़ा पॉलिश करके एक डिफिकल्ट वर्ड में डाल दो तो it becomes something which is a new
A
product.
new product.
Old product repacking
Correct.
and launching in the market.
Correct. Correct. So as we are talking about the organizations like product and company, what I observed, definitely you must have, like people like average communication skill, they feel too much dominant in the company. Like they can't open up. Somebody will come, he will be getting dominated from that person. So he get again demotivated. His communication skill get again destroyed. So how that person should think, behave or act in such negative environment? होता है ना, positive environments are also there in company, definitely negative also. But ये जो negative environment create होता है, there how that person who want to sustain, उसने क्या करना चाहिए?
See, कोई भी organization में you have positive people, you have negative people.
Yes.
So it's a mixed bag of all of it.
But negative के सामने कैसा stand करें, right? Somebody is criticizing you, right? He is not allowing you to speak. He is killing your idea. So that level, the person with the less communication skill or less confident, how he should come up? So that is my question.
So in this case you have to react in such a way that आपको अगर कोई डोमिनेट कर रहा है तो आप उसको एक डेडलाइन या आप उसको एक लाइन क्रॉस मत
मत
करने
कर
दें
दो, ओके।
बिकॉज पीपल डू इट रिपीटेडली एंड देन यू गेट डिग्रेड तो आपको किसी के सामने कोई नीचा दिखा रहा है you give him a smile. It's a best thing to do.
Okay.
Because when you smile at him, he realizes यार he keeps on thinking कि यार इसने smile क्यों दिया मुझे जब
Okay.
मैं उसको criticize कर रहा हूँ.
Got it.
So when you smile at people, मान लो रोड से जा रहे आपका कोई ब्रश करके गया बाइक से, you don't get angry, you don't get annoyed, you smile at him. He will feel embarrassed.
Right.
And he will realize his mistake.
Correct, correct. Even smile will give you feel good factor from inside. So that may be the correct step they should start with. Maybe.
Start with smile at people. It's a contagious thing. जैसे आप उबासी देते हो, like you yawn, it's a contagious thing. Smiling is also contagious because when you smile at a person twice, thrice, that person also next time will smile back at you.
So smiling can be a habit also.
It has to be a habit. You have to make it a habit.
So how to make it habit? That is also a question. Because definitely I have observed when we smile, we are high productive, right?
Yes.
So but how to be that? Like definitely question trigger because of this. Lot of time people get immediately sad. Whole day kharab ho gaya, right? But if you are energetic, smiling, you are productive at the work. So to come back to yourself from sadness environment, what he should do? जबरदस्ती smile करना difficult है, right?
हाँ, जबरदस्ती स्माइल करना डिफिकल्ट है, दैट इज ट्रू, बट इन दिस सिचुएशन आपका सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट होता है बॉडी लैंग्वेज.
Yeah, correct.
सो योर बॉडी एंड योर माइंड बोथ आर कनेक्टेड.
Okay.
आप अगर डल नीचे बैठ के झुक के बैठोगे, योर माइंड विल एक्सेप्ट दैट एंड इट विल गेट बैक टू द सिचुएशन दैट यू आर डिप्रेस्ड.
Right.
आप सीना तान के खड़ा रहो, यू मेक अ शिफ्ट इन योर बॉडी लैंग्वेज, योर माइंड विल ऑटोमेटिकली एक्सेप्ट दैट यार यहाँ कुछ मूवमेंट हो गया, यहाँ ऑटोमेटिकली हो.
Right, right. Correct.
So whenever you are feeling depressed or you are down with energy level, make a shift in your body language.
So a small exercise we should do or like just stand or walk? What we should do?
आप straight बैठो. आप किसी जवान को, आर्मी जवान को देखो, the posture that he has
Correct.
is going to always trigger his mind that you are always alert.
You're right.
आप उसको कभी डल पोस्चर में नहीं देखो.
Right. And that is the reason
They
they
are
are
trained.
highly energetic. Right. They are trained now.
Yes. वैसे ही आप अपने बॉडी को थोड़ा सा ट्रेन करो. You do some exercise, movement करो बॉडी का left right, make your body a little bit loose and stand confident. Breathe in and breathe out. That is one of the exercises which I recommend because breathing is very important.
Yeah, like definitely when we are into tense situation or like some abnormal situation, breathing get impact. Like we get hyper, like whenever we are sad or angry. So how will that breathing observation or what kind of technique somebody should apply so that it can be a normal situation for us?
आपका सांस से बहुत कुछ बोलता है because your breathing is all your body is connected with. आप लंबी गहरी सांसें लेते हो, you feel relaxed. When you are walking up or running a distance, your breathing is becoming fast. It's fast at pace. When you are having a different mood, you are into a different zone, your breathing also changes automatically. So ये breathing आपका connected है आपके body के साथ, and आपका body is connected with your mind. So ultimately your breathing is also connected to your mind. So the moment you take a deep breath, you feel relaxed.
Right.
So when your body is relaxed, you are going to be comfortable.
Correct, correct.
So आपका breathing is very important. आप सोते हो तो आपका breathing slow हो जाता है.
So body get uncomfortable. Lot of time while acting we behave abnormal. So ये भी breathing से ही सही होगा या what is like a solution for that? Like when I am forced to talk in front of thousands of people and I am not ready, right? My body will behave something different. Breathing will pump up.
Yes.
मुझे आदत ही नहीं, but तो उस सिचुएशन में रिलैक्स और कूल डाउन करने के लिए व्हाट वी शुड डू?
आप कोई भी स्टेज परफॉर्मेंस देने से पहले 5 मिनट जाके मिरर के सामने बात करो. You don't have a mirror there, you can carry your
दैट इज बट हम नोन है, सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट यू, ये तो नोन एरिया कि मुझे जाके स्टेज पे बोलना है, बट सम अननोन सिचुएशन आ जाता है, दैट टाइम बॉडी रिएक्ट समथिंग डिफरेंटली, राइट?
थोड़ा रिएक्ट करेगा। उस टाइम आपको ये भी बताना है सामने वाले को कि यस आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट आई एम अ बिट नर्वस, बी ऑनेस्ट टू देम,
Okay.
tell them that this is the situation and I was not prepared for it, so
Hmm.
I may be nervous.
So same can be in interview, right? If you are going through interview, if you are feeling nervous, upfrontly say them. So you will be at the same frequency. We can say like that.
करेक्ट, बिकॉज
हाँ,
लोगों को ऑनेस्टी पसंद है।
हाँ,
देखिए आपका इंटरव्यूअर भी 100 इंटरव्यू ले चुका है दिन भर
right,
में,
right.
उसके आप डेस्क पे देखोगे एक पानी का ग्लास होता है,
Hmm.
वो ग्लास किसी और के लिए नहीं होता है, वो कैंडिडेट के लिए होता है।
Hmm.
वो इंटरव्यूअर को बस ये देखना है कि कैंडिडेट पानी मांगने का डेयरिंग करता भी है कि नहीं,
Hmm.
क्योंकि वो एचआर तो पीने वाला है नहीं,
Correct, correct.
उसके पास उसका बॉटल होता है। तो वो ग्लास है किसके लिए? वो
Correct.
तो कैंडिडेट के लिए ही है।
सही बात है।
So you have to open up and be honest that I am a bit nervous. Can I have a glass of water? वो नहीं बोलेगा ही नहीं। और जब आप पानी पियोगे आपका ब्रीदिंग इम्पैक्ट होने वाला है, बिकॉज आप पानी पीते हो तो आपका सांसों का वॉल्व ऑटोमेटिकली बंद होता है।
Okay, got it.
वो बंद हो गया तो आपका ब्रीदिंग स्लो हो गया,
Okay, got it.
आपका कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया।
Correct, correct. So same we should apply to online interviews also nowadays. Like every online interviews are there. We should have a glass of water with us.
हाँ
So if you are nervous, if you are tense, that time same situation you can apply.
बिल्कुल, क्योंकि साइंटिफिक रीजन है कि आप पानी पीते वक्त आपकी सांसों की वॉल्व ओपन नहीं हो सकती है। अगर
Okay.
उसमें पानी चला गया तो वो आपको जो होता है पानी बाहर निकलता है।
Got it. Got it.
सो दैट इज बिकॉज आपका सांस लेने का वॉल्व बंद हो जाता है, तब पानी पीने का वॉल्व खुलता है।
Correct.
तो सांसों का वॉल्व बंद होना मतलब सांसों का स्लो डाउन होना।
Correct. Got it.
दैट इज व्हाई दे टेल यू दैट व्हेन यू आर एंग्री यू ड्रिंक वाटर,
Right.
क्योंकि आपकी सांस थम
So
जाए।
this is easiest solution, right? If you are having anger, have a glass of water. It will give you result.
इसीलिए तो पुराने लोग जो एल्डर्स है दे से दैट व्हेन यू आर एंग्री यू हैव अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, क्योंकि साइंटिफिक रीजन ये है कि सांस रुक जाती है। सांस रुक जाती है तो आप जब एंग्री होते हो आपकी सांसें तेज चल रही है, उसको सडनली स्लो डाउन किया, ऑटोमेटिकली एंगर नीचे आ
Correct. So anger come हो गया, right? Now if I'm at interview, if I'm at meetings or a public point, lot of time हमें बचपन से सिखाया गया कि फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन इज लास्ट इंप्रेशन, राइट? बट ये कैसे करना है किसी ने सिखाया नहीं, मतलब मे बी पीपल हैव लर्न, बट हाँ, ऑन एन एवरेज वी आर हैविंग डिस्कशन फॉर एवरेज पीपल, राइट? सो पीपल कैन लर्न फ्रॉम अस. So if I am going to interview, if I'm having a meeting, if I'm having a some like a public like place, I need to introduce myself. तो ये फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन हाउ somebody can create a better, like एक क्या 5-6 पॉइंट्स उसने फॉलो करना चाहिए?
फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन लास्ट इम्प्रेशन ये कंसेप्ट सुनने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बट इवेंचुअली एंड ग्रेजुअली व्हेन यू नो दैट पर्सन मोर एंड मोर, दैट टाइम यू स्टार्ट रियलाइजिंग दैट इसके पास नॉलेज कितना है।
यस.
अब लोग जजमेंटल होते हैं।
Correct,
लोग
correct.
क्या करते हैं, जब मैं भी कभी स्टेज पे जाता हूँ, दे लुक एट माय अपीयरेंस, दे जज मी अकॉर्डिंग टू माय अपीयरेंस एंड हाउ आई लुक, बिकॉज वो सर से पांव तक आपको देखेंगे।
राइट.
लेकिन जैसे ही आप बात करना शुरू करते हो, आपका नॉलेज एक्सप्लेन करना शुरू करते हो, दैट टाइम दे रियलाइज यार फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन लास्ट इंप्रेशन में बहुत डिफरेंस आ गया, बिकॉज आई मेड एन अजम्पशन व्हेन आई सॉ हिम
प्री
द फर्स्ट टाइम।
अजम्पशन हो जाता है कि हाँ ये सही होगा. करेक्ट, करेक्ट.
जैसे भी आप कॉलेज में भी जाते हो तो आप पहले दिन सारे लोगों को नहीं जानते हो, यू हैव मेड इंप्रेशन, अरे ये तो एटीट्यूड वाला दिख रहा है, ये तो गुस्से वाला लग रहा है, बट ग्रेजुअली वही आपका बेस्ट दोस्त बन जाता है साल खत्म होने तक,
करेक्ट.
because that time you happen to match with your likings, abilities and helping each other, nature, ये सारा ग्रेजुअली पता चलता है। फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन में तो वो पता नहीं चला था।
सो यू शुड हैव कॉन्फिडेंस कि हाँ ठीक है, लाइक वील डू वेल. मतलब इफ आई एम स्टार्टिंग समथिंग एंड इफ आई मेड अ मिस्टेक, यू शुड हैव पावर टू कंटिन्यू दैट, राइट? मतलब वो एक होना चाहिए, मतलब पेशेंस और कंटिन्यूटी शुड बी देयर.
हाँ,
या.
पहले तो मिस्टेक एक्सेप्ट करने का करेज चाहिए, that yes I made a mistake,
करेक्ट.
accept that you have made a mistake,
राइट.
and if you don't have a solution you need to have the courage to go and ask for solution कि भाई मेरे से ये गलती हो गया, who is the best person who can guide me to do it better.
Correct, correct. So you should have some good friends to whom you can always ask what is good at me, what is wrong, what is a mistake I am doing for, right?
हाँ, आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड ही आपका सबसे बड़ा क्रिटिक होगा।
But I think like we are going off the discussion. Nowadays we are at some different era. Friends are also getting less. People are even college में भी मुझे नहीं पता nowadays what is the situation, like they may be having when we were at college we are having a mob 50 लोग
15 लोग 20 लोग हम साथ में रहते थे. Nowadays I don't know how much friends they are having, but challenge is people are not having somebody to give feedback, right? In that case उसने क्या करना चाहिए, right? Like our audience is working people, right? They are having their job, their family. There is no third person to review. होता है, कम लोग रहते हैं. So self review कैसे करना चाहिए फिर उन्होंने?
तो अगर उन्होंने एक्सेप्टेंस कर लिया, सेल्फ एक्सेप्टेंस दैट दिस इज द मिस्टेक दैट आई मेड, नाउ कमिंग दैट टू द मेन पॉइंट इज वेयर यू हैव टू रीड बुक्स. आज
Correct.
बुक्स कोई पढ़ ही नहीं रहा है.
Correct.
एवरीथिंग इज यूट्यूब यूनिवर्सिटी. सो हर कोई यूट्यूब पे जा रहा है, जो कोई भी ज्ञान दे रहा है उसका ज्ञान सुन ले, हो गया.
Correct.
बट आर यू वैलिडेटिंग कि उसने जो बताया वो सच में अप्लाई करने लायक भी है, और इज ही even qualified to give that knowledge?
Correct. So habits are also like important to like build our personality or increase our confidence or to make us a good speaker, right?
Yes.
So what daily good habit we should have to like have a better personality? एक अच्छा habit क्या लगाना चाहिए on an average everyone?
आप अगर मान लो कोई ट्रिप पे जाने वाले हो तो यू प्लान एवरीथिंग. पूरे 7 दिन का ट्रिप प्लान करते हो, कौन से दिन क्या करना है, शेड्यूल. व्हाई डोंट यू प्लान योर डे?
Okay, so planning a day can be a good habit. Okay.
बिल्कुल 10 चीजें मुझे दिन भर में करनी है, तो आई राइट डाउन माई 10 थिंग्स विच आई हैव टू डू. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई नो कितने टास्क कंप्लीट हो गए,
Okay.
बाकी के नेक्स्ट डे के लिए एप्लीकेबल हो गए क्या नहीं.
Okay.
Because when you delay those tasks or when you don't complete those tasks, it becomes urgent and important.
Right.
तो अभी अर्जेंट नहीं है, इम्पोर्टेंट है.
Correct.
तो बच्चे लोग भी क्या करते हैं, आज स्टडीज अर्जेंट नहीं है, इम्पोर्टेंट है,
Right.
लेकिन वो डिले करते
Exam.
करते एग्जाम तक जाते हैं, फिर वो अर्जेंट एंड इम्पोर्टेंट बन जाता है.
Same is applicable for the people who are looking for job change, right? मतलब in a career start तो कर देते हैं but preparation नहीं करते हैं, and then all of a sudden we get released from the project or we are looking for a job change or we lost job. So it will be urgent and important. So critical situation में आता है, और जो आपने पहले बताया, so that situation can be also triggered. So we should plan daily. यही एक solution है.
हाँ, छोटे छोटे डेली टास्क प्लान करो, आपकी पूरी लाइफ प्लान करो कि आपको कितने साल तक रिटायर होना है.
Right.
And when it comes to retirement, it triggers to the next important thing, which is financial planning also.
Correct.
मैंने लोगों को देखा है कि सैलरी की तारीख तक वेट करते हैं, सैलरी 2 दिन में खत्म होता है, 3 दिन में खत्म होता है. नाउ दे आर वेटिंग फॉर द नेक्स्ट सैलरी टू कम. सो आपका बैकअप प्लान क्या है?
Correct. So एक good behavior और habit की हमने बात की, right? So there may be one worst habit or bad our behavior that is destroying our personality or communication skill or confidence. So what is that habit जो हमने stop कर देना चाहिए? मतलब
Procrastination, I would
Okay.
say the
Yeah.
best is
Right.
नहीं कल करेंगे, परसों करेंगे. You start today.
Correct.
थोड़ा तो स्टार्ट करो. लोगों को मैं कितनी बार बोलता हूँ, यू स्टार्ट विथ एक्सरसाइज.
Hmm.
पहले दिन जिम जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. लोग क्या करते हैं, जिम का बिजनेस ही ऐसा है कि दे गिव यू 1 ईयर का मेंबरशिप जो सस्ते में देते. भाई तू पहले 1 महीने का ले, महंगा है तो भी
Right.
चलेगा, बट 1 महीना कंसिस्टेंटली जा नहीं पा रहा है तो 1 साल का लेके वही बिजनेस करेंगे, क्योंकि उनको पता है ये 3 महीने बाद नहीं आ
नहीं
जाएगा.
ला. And
7 महीने का पैसा वो लोग कमा लिया.
99% of the people do same.
हाँ.
Correct.
सो प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन नहीं, कंसिस्टेंसी भी चाहिए.
Correct. Got it.
आज 5 सेटअप करो, 5 पुशअप करो, हफ्ता भर 5 करो, कंसिस्टेंटली हैबिचुअल हो जाओ. 10 करो, 5 बढ़ा दो, महीने भर में आप 50 तक पहुंच जाओगे.
Correct.
सो दैट्स हाउ यू डू एक्सरसाइज ऑल्सो. और 50 करने में आपको 10 मिनट चाहिए. आप इस शरीर में रहते हो, बॉडी में रहते हो, इसका ख्याल आप ही रखोगे.
Right. So as you were saying, we should read a book, right? Like definitely, due to time constraint, I'm going to stop over here as you are busy since the whole day. Any good recommendation of the book like that you should say, start with this, right? As you said, reading a book is also important because we are dependent on YouTube University only. So if somebody is new to a book reader club, we can say like that. Any good personality development book which help to you or your student, so that we can start with that book.
There is a book by Mahatria who I also have been attending the sessions with, and his book is on discipline.
Okay.
So it's a wonderful book where discipline is broken into parts, and he has explained how discipline works.
Hmm.
And once you have discipline in place, the rest of the things fall in place.
Correct. So what is that book name?
The name of the book is Discipline, and
Okay.
the head title of that organization is Infinity Zone.
Okay. So if you're having discipline in your life, definitely rest things can be achieved easily. So that's the reason you can say like start with this book.
Yes.
People will improve and at every aspect of their life, maybe personal also and professional also.
करेक्ट, बिकॉज उसमें उन्होंने कहा है कि आप चाबी यहाँ रखने के लिए 1 सेकंड लगता है और फेंकने के लिए भी 1 सेकंड लगता है,
Correct.
लेकिन यहाँ रखी हुई आपको मिलती भी 1 सेकंड में, वहां फेंकी हुई आपको
Correct.
पूरा घर ढूंढेगा उसको.
Right.
सो डिसिप्लिन,
Right.
शूज की जगह पे चाबी की जगह पे, इट्स स्मॉल थिंग्स व्हिच आर डिसिप्लिन.
Correct. And it's like it is a long habit. ये easily नहीं लगता है. मतलब it takes lot of time to build. मतलब ये
छोटे से शुरू करो तो बाकी की चीजें डिसिप्लिन आती है. सुबह उठते यू फोल्ड योर ब्लैंकेट, दैट गिव्स यू एनर्जी दैट ओके चलो एक काम मैंने डिसिप्लिन कर लिया.
right. Correct. पूरा दिन आपका डिसिप्लिन में जाए.
छोटी छोटी चीजों से डिसिप्लिन स्टार्ट.
Correct. So I will say our audience to start with the discipline. Definitely we will re-invite you so as to have a topic of discussion on the different topic. So we can learn something good from you. It was a really good discussion for me. I learned a lot of good things from you today, and definitely long back I'm connecting, but my motto is we all should learn. So definitely we'll connect back for further such next discussions.
Certainly, it was my pleasure, and it was really nice learning some things from you people as well. So we'll keep learning and
Yes,
we'll
yes.
keep growing.
Correct. Yes. Sure. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for watching us. If you like this podcast, please like, share, subscribe us. If you are looking for a special guest or a content, please write down on a comment so we can invite them to create more better learning journey with us. We will be happy to see you on our podcast so that you can share your inspiring stories for our student.